If your website isn't getting traffic but leads or sales aren't moving, the problem usually isn't your offer. It's friction. People are confused, stuck, or not seeing what they need fast enough. In this video, I'll show you Microsoft Clarity, a free alternative to Hotjar that lets you watch real user sessions, see heat maps, and spot issues like rage clicks and dead clicks, so you can fix what's costing you money. This is perfect for SMB owners who want more calls and inquiries, SaaS founders trying to improve signups, e-commerce stores trying to increase add to carts and checkouts. By the end, you'll know how to set up Clarity, how to read heat maps and recordings, and how to turn insights into simple changes that lift conversions. Hotjar is great, but many teams mainly need two things: heat maps and recordings. Clarity gives you both for free, plus built-in friction signals. Where Hotjar is stronger is surveys and feedback widgets, but if your goal is show me what users are doing and where they are struggling, Clarity is a very strong starting point. Go to Microsoft Clarity, sign in, click add new project, enter your site name and URL and create the project. One project per domain keeps your data clean, especially if you run multiple stores or landing pages. Next, install the tracking code. Two common options: manual install, copy the script and paste it into the head tag across your site, or you can use Google Tag Manager, or you can use any of their pre-built integrations. Give it a few minutes, then come back and confirm sessions are flowing in. On the dashboard, you'll see sessions, pages, scroll depth, and the big one, friction signals. Here's the mindset: you don't get lost in vanity metrics. Your job is to find the top 3 things that are blocking signups, inquiries, or purchases. Heat maps answer: what are people trying to do? If people click something that isn't clickable, that's confusion. Either make it clickable or redesign it so it doesn't look interactive. If only 20 to 30% users reach your pricing table, testimonials, or CTA, move key info higher or add a mid-page CTA. What to check by business type? Quick callouts. SMB services. Do people reach your phone, WhatsApp, contact form? For SaaS, do they reach the how it works and pricing? E-commerce. Do they reach shipping, returns, and reviews? Recordings. How to watch smart. Recordings are where you stop guessing. But don't watch random sessions. Filter first. Mobile only. Usually where most friction is. Sessions that visited pricing or key product pages. Sessions with rage clicks or dead clicks. Sessions that exit on checkout or sign up. Watch 10 sessions with the same filter. Patterns show up fast. Clarity flags behavior that usually means lost revenue. Rage clicks, repeated clicks equals frustration. Often slow pages, broken buttons, or unclear next step. Dead clicks are clicks that do nothing, usually design that looks clickable but isn't. Quick backs. They click in, then instantly leave. That's expectation mismatch, headline, offer, or page speed. If you fix friction first, conversion rates often improve without changing your ads or pricing. For service businesses, your goal is simple: make it easy to contact you. Do users hesitate before the contact form? Do they scroll looking for pricing you didn't show? Do they click your logo expecting it to go home? Do they abandon on mobile because the form is annoying? For SaaS, watch sessions that hit pricing and then leave. Look for confusion between plans, users hunting for integrations or security info. Click on FAQs that don't answer the real objection. Drop-offs on sign-up fields. For e-commerce, watch product page sessions that don't add to cart. You should look for people zooming images but not getting enough detail, scrolling to find shipping returns, clicks on reviews area, rage clicks near variant selectors or add to cart. Use the simple 4-step loop. Issue, what users do. Reason, why it's happening. Fix, what you'll change. Measure, what should improve. Another issue, users that click a pricing headline. What's the fix? Make the whole cart clickable, plus add a clear button. Measure, more clicks to pricing, fewer exits. Quick privacy note, clarity is built to mask sensitive info, but if you are in the European Union, still treat this seriously. Update your cookie privacy policy as needed and avoid collecting sensitive firm data. My simple routine, weekly check friction signals plus top exit pages, monthly watch 20 filtered sessions, mobile first. After changes, recheck the same pages to confirm improvement. If you want, comment SMB, SaaS or e-commerce and tell me your biggest drop-off page, homepage, pricing, product page or checkout, and I'll tell you exactly what to look for in Clarity First. And if this was useful, subscribe on YouTube for more practical conversion fixes.